the Basement Watchdog.
Hi, I'm Alan Schulman, founder and CEO of Glentronics. We're the folks that make the Basement Watchdog backup sump pumps, combination pumps, primary pumps, Wi-Fi broadcasters, and something as important and mechanical as a quiet check valve. So think about your basement. You got your sump pump, you got your backup pump, the water's pumping out, the water stops, there's the pipe representing the rest of the house, the water's coming in, and you don't want the water coming all the way back into the pit. You got like 10 foot of pipe, it's filling the pit up again. You don't want that. So you always want to have a check valve. It's a one-way valve that only lets water go out and not back in. But one of the byproducts of having a check valve is when this heavy load of water comes down, it hits what's called a flapper in here, and it goes clunk. Sound familiar? Literally? Many times there's been a rain and you hear the pump going on, clunk. Middle of the night trying to sleep, clunk. You need a clunkless check valve. It's a check valve without the clunk. This is our version of it, and it really is quiet. This valve was designed to be as durable and, I hate to use the word safe on a check valve, but I'm going to show you what I mean by that. This is just one solid, it's not going anywhere. And the alternative is generally what's been sold forever, we used to sell them, is your universal check valve for 1.25 inch, 1.5 pipe conversion. And you probably might recognize that angle. They're flexible, they have to be because of the universal two sizes and stuff, and depending on how thick the rubber is and the connection. And I hope you aren't one of the folks that have had the occasion where it wiggles to the point where the pipe comes out. And then the pump turns on and the water just goes everywhere. I mean, it's the simplest part, this is like a $10 part, causes the flooding of a basement. When you're doing your installation, think about the middle of the night, no clunking, solid construction, a simple thing that would, once again, make your life a little bit easier. Basement Watchdog, check these out, you know, they're online. BasementWatchdog.com will direct you to all kinds of places that sell them, Amazon.com. Nice little accessory to have. Thanks for watching.
The Basement Watchdog, watching out for you. Visit us at basementwatchdog.com to learn more.